I'm hoping someday maybe I'll buy a tow truck and have a tow company.
Yeah, I hope you do.
But those are real expensive.
We all have to start somewhere.
Yeah, when I first started doing this, it was more like a side gig. I didn't start it to a full-blown company until a few months ago, so.
That's good. Good enough.
But changing it to a full-blown company was better because I don't work for nobody, I work for myself.
Nowadays, this is like the best.
Yeah.
I don't think sometime until you get to be known and you have some customers. But
Yeah. Yeah. I've been contracted with Allstate for at least 12 years. And so starting my own company is just
I've been with Allstate since 1993.
oh wow. Yeah, no, I'm saying I started Roadside with them about 12 years ago.
No, I know, but I've been with them for a long time.
That's good, cause before well, right now I got State Farm, but before that I had Geico for 20 years, and they kind of doubled my insurance, the cost of my insurance, and I was like, why did you go up on my insurance if I haven't had any accidents?
Maybe, or even Allstate, every time they tell
Yeah, I can understand going up a little bit, but they doubled it, and they told me because the cost that it would take to fix my vehicle if I did have one is significantly higher, so they have to charge me more for that.
Allstate's one of the most expensive ones, but their service is good. I never had any problem with them.
Yeah, Allstate. Somebody who had Allstate hit my car while it was parked, and they were pretty good about it. Hold on, let me grab a brake bar. I don't like putting a tool on these wheel locks. Sometimes you can strip them out like that. Oh my God, amazing. Sometimes people put these on too tight. I'm so glad. Okay. Let's make sure this is closed. Oh, this bar is freezing. That should be good enough. Need my aluminum tray for the lug nuts. I'm losing my mind. It's all right, thank you. Whew. Oh, you have a screw right here.
Yeah. This is my wife's car. you want to put it in the back?
I'm gonna wait till I get it off the jack. Yeah, so it should. They could fix that though.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, they could fix that.
As you know, it's the screw hole, not the white.
Huh?
It's always the screw.
Yeah.
The white. They don't make it.
All right. Now I'm sure you know you're not supposed to exceed 50 miles per hour on these things. And if this is an all-wheel drive vehicle, you know, doing too much driving with these donuts on could ruin the all-wheel drive system because the size of the tire is different from the rest of them.
You know, we're just gonna take it to the place where they fix the tire. I know there's a couple places down on South Coast.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if they're open today, but
They might be. But yeah, I my van, I had got a tire a couple weeks ago on South 4th Street. It was like, I bought a used tire. It was like 50 bucks, but I'm pretty sure they could plug that for like 10, 15 bucks. Let me turn this down, all the way down. Here, you want to put these on or you want to?
I'll keep them until they fix theirs. Thank you.
Okay. All right, and then I just got to take pictures afterwards, and then you're good to go.
That
huh?
Special.
Oh, yes.
So I don't lose it.
Yeah, sorry. Hold on. Let me put the tire in the back. Come on. Trying to open this thing with gloves on. Kind of sucks. Ah. Whoa, this wheel is heavy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Ooh. How you doing? Most of the roads isn't too bad. This one is the worst one I've been down so far because it's not plowed.
Okay.
But
most of them are?
Yeah, okay. Most of the main roads are plowed. Not. Hold on. I just got to get pictures before and after. Woo. I was surprised. I didn't think anybody would be going out in this. It took me a little bit because
I rented the vehicle hoping I'd be able to make it to work. I just hope I'll be able to get home.
Oh, I mean, it sits up high enough.
It's up high enough, yeah. With a four-wheel drive, I should be able to make it home, right?
Yeah,
okay.
This car is four-wheel drive. That's the only reason why I can get through the snow now.
Okay. Oh, yours is too?
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, if I wasn't four-wheel drive, I would have got stuck.
Yeah.
There's no way. Cause I felt it getting stuck down at the corner because it's like 2 feet because they plow on the main roads and not the side roads. So all of the snow is just being pushed up to block the way to get onto the road. Let me put that down for a second. Let's see. It's open.
I didn't know it was locked. You know, I thought it would stay open. I don't know why it locked.
Oh, well, when the vehicle is off and like no one opens the door for after a certain amount of time, it'll lock itself. So it does, for some reason it won't detect the keys are inside unless the engine itself is running, which is
Yeah, I had it running.
oh, and it shut off.
Automatically shut off, or what happened?
Oh, did you remote start it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll only run for 15 minutes during a remote start until you press the start button. Well, it should be 15 minutes. Every car is different. Ooh, this is a tight door. Might have to grab a screwdriver. There we go. We're in. Bring it back a little bit. Oh, let's get this down a little. There we go. All right, that should be enough room. Oh my God, even with the gloves on, my hands are frozen. Yeah, I went out earlier. It wasn't too bad, but
It's getting worse.
yeah, I don't think I'm gonna keep taking calls for the day if it keeps going.
How many calls have you had? A lot?
Well, this is the first one today. I'm an independent contractor, so I work for myself. All right, this door's so tight. Come on. Ooh. I think because I got my gloves wet. That's why my fingers are so cold.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine. I got my gloves wet cleaning off the car. Come on. There we go. Little by little was pumping. Jeez, this is taking a lot.
Is it eventually going to open?
Well, no, I just need to pry it open enough to get my tool in there, and then I can get the door open, but it's taking a lot of pressure to get the door pried open a little bit. Let's see, should be enough. Okay, yes, thank God. Hold on, let me take a look. Okay. All right, so there we go. All right, you can get yourself.
Thank you so much.
Ooh, I just got to get pictures afterwards. Ooh, my fingers. Hold on. Where's my phone? Oh man.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Oh, you thought you lost your phone?
It's alright. I would have been able to find it, but it just would have been covered in water. Hold on. Front left. Okay. Rear right.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, thank you.
You're so quickly.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Drive safe. Thank you. Okay, okay. Oh. What do you mean? It has a different type of button?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, no, yeah, it got the same latch. I was just way off.
My battery's under the
Oh, it's in here. Okay. Yeah, this tends to happen when you let a car sit for like a day or two in the cold.
Yeah. I'm getting a new battery today because it died before.
Oh, okay. Alright, you should be able to start it right up.
And I do want to let you know,
Mhm.
this is going to shake. I have a vacuum in the car.
Oh, so it has a misfire.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So it like shakes off.
It's fine.
Start it completely.
Yeah, go ahead. You can start it up. Oh, okay. It doesn't like pop in? Okay. Alright. Alright, so I just gotta take pictures afterwards and then you're good. Ooh. Who'd you call? Allstate?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's all, so yeah, it's already taken care of. So I just gotta take pictures after. They have me take pictures before and after, and then front left, and then all right, you're good to go. You're welcome. Right now we're on a 2025 Wagoneer. Let's hope we can get it up enough. Ooh. Dang, I got my glove wet. My hands. Let's make sure this is locked tight. Ooh. Sorry guys. It's a heavy girl right here. I love these things. I want one. I wanted one since they announced that they was bringing the Grand Wagoneers back. I don't think that's gonna be high enough. jack kind of slid in a crevice. That should be high enough. And it has this beautiful full-size bed. Hold up. Hold on. Oh. All right. Let's hope the jack doesn't slide again. So we're kind of on a hill. All right, that should be high enough. I think it's a 7/8, if I'm not mistaken. Perfect. Woo-wee. No. This is a heavy ass wheel. I didn't think I was gonna get that on the first try. Jesus Christ. What is this, a 20-inch donut? Oh, it's an 18. The factory was a 20, I believe.
Is it the same size tire?
I think so. It might be. Well, the circumference of it is the same size, but the rim, I don't know. The rim might be different. I gotta look at it. Cause like, I know.
Return? I'm trying to remember what day I returned it. Probably like 2 days. Like I wonder, should I exchange it? No, I like this big SUV.
So
The Hamilton.
hold on to it. I mean,
size.
Yeah, I mean, it's a full-size spare, so it's okay to drive on.
It's drive.
Yeah, it's okay to drive on. It's full-size. Yeah, yep.
Miles per hour.
This is perfectly safe because it's just as big as this, just as wide.
Okay.
So it can handle the weight, it can handle the drive, and it can handle the weather.
Okay.
So it's a full-size tire. You have no worries in that department. So if
Okay.
you want to drive it for a few more days,
Yeah, it should be okay.
yeah, I cracked one of the rims on my Jeep and I got a full-size spare. And I
Okay.
actually drove with it like that for 2 months
Oh.
before I got my wheel fixed. So it'll
Okay.
be fine.
Okay.
And I was driving to him from New York.
Ah, yeah, that's all. Can you check the?
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my air pump right now.
Great.
Just give me a second.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hold on. Can I just see something? I just want to see what the spare tire should be.
Oh. Oh. See?
40. Okay.
Did you check all of them?
I got you.
You see, I learn every time a different thing.
Well, if you when you yeah. Yeah, when you started the dash, should show you the other 3.
Yeah, it's true. That's true.
Oh,
It's
hold
like
on.
38.
Yeah, that's actually pretty good for the. Hold on. Jesus Christ. Oh. What is going on with my app? There we go. Makunji? Okay, we're not far. I'll take it.
Oh, it's another one.
Yeah. Yeah, which is fine because when you drive, the tires heat up, so it would have went to 40 eventually once you do like a certain amount of highway driving. So 38 would have been fine. Okay. Whew. Oh, hold on.